In order to complete the full hearing screening, please log into your patient account on Tuned and head to your dashboard. In the top right corner, you'll see Full Hearing Screening, which will take you through the entire evaluation. You'll also see Screening Tests with a drop-down for you to complete each component of the screening again if your audiologist would like to see those results. In order to complete the hearing screening, you will need hardwired headphones, so please set those up now. These are the three components of the test. And we start with a questionnaire. This is to gather information about you and your hearing. Answer each question as best you can. For now, we'll fast forward. Next up is digits and noise. Select your birth year and your language. And now we're going to go through a brief calibration. And here are your directions. You'll hear 3 digits through varying degrees of background noise. Enter the 3 digits you hear to the best of your ability. And again, make sure you have those headphones plugged in. You'll go through this 23 times. So for now, let's fast forward. Now we'll head to the Pure Tone Screener. If you wear hearing aids, take them out. And again, have those headphones ready. Find a quiet place. And now we're going to calibrate our system. To find your threshold, take this circle and slide it up until you can hear the tone. Then drag it back down until you find the level that is the very softest that you can hear it at. Again, confirm that this is the softest level. We're finding your threshold. Repeat this step through all of the tones for the right ear. Always looking for that softest level. And going on to the left ear. You've now completed your full hearing screener. All of your results are now available on your dashboard in your patient portal. They are also sent to your audiologist for review and will be discussed in your upcoming appointment.